A very good morning, students. Open page number 41 of your mathematics book, exercise 3F. Till now we have done the addition and subtractions. Today we are going to do some word problem. So let's start with question number 1. Question number 1 is, a man bought a plot of land for 37,899 rupees and sold it for 45,362 rupees. How much profit did he earn? It means what is given in the question. A man buy a plot for how much rupees? 37,899 rupees and sold it for 45,362 rupees. It means he earned some extra money because he earned here 45,362 rupees, which is greater from this number. Now we have to calculate how much more he has earned by sold it at 45,362 rupees. The extra money he has earned, that is known, will be its profit. Suppose if you buy a pencil of 3 rupees and if you sell it to someone in 5 rupees, then how much extra money you will get? You will get extra 2 rupees. How you get to know that? Because we have subtract 3 from 5, so you will get 2 here. Now you get how much extra money you will get. Similarly, we have to calculate in this question as well. If he buy the plot at this much rupees and if it sold it at 45,362 rupees, we have to calculate how much extra money he has earned. That will be his profit. So let's start how we are going to do this question. Before starting this question, write down the date first at the top of the page, then write the exercise 3F. Write the question number only, question number 1, then write the given part here. What is given? Cost of land is equals to 37,899. The price at which he buy the land, that will be its cost price. Now it sold it at 45,362 rupees. That it means it will be its selling price. So it will be, what is here? Selling price is equals to of land is equals to 45,362 rupees. We have to calculate the profit. So profit, how we are going to calculate the profit? Profit is equals to what we do here, the price at which we sold the land, that is selling price, minus the price at which we bought the plot, that is its cost price. So you have to subtract the cost price from selling price. After subtracting this, you will get the profit here. So do the subtraction by yourself and calculate the profit. After this, question number 2 and question number 3 you have to do by yourself as a homework. Let's see the question number 4 here. In question number 4, what is the question is saying here? In question number 4, we have the population as per 2011 census. Census, it is what? Census is the process of calculation of peoples of some region, that is known as census. So the population of Andaman and Nicobar Island is 3,79,944 and that of Daman and Diu is 2,42,911. How much is the population of Andaman and Nicobar Island more than that of Daman and Diu? The population of Andaman and Nicobar Island is given this much. The population of Daman and Diu is also given this much. Just seeing by these two digits or the figures, you can find out which one is greater. So you can easily find out that this one is greater. Now you have to calculate by how much this number is greater from this number. That is the question is asking here. How much is the population of Andaman and Nicobar? That means this one, 3,79,944, is more than that of Daman and Diu. That is 2,42,991. So how you can calculate the difference between these two numbers? You have already done this type of question earlier also. So first write the question number here, write the question number 4. After that, then write the given part. What is given? The population of Andaman and Nicobar, that is equals to 3,79,944. The population of Daman and Diu, that is equals to 2,42,911. We have to calculate how much the population of Andaman and Nicobar is more than that of the Andaman and Diu. So how you are going to calculate the difference? The difference between the two populations will be how much? You have to calculate. You have to subtract the smaller population from the larger population to calculate the difference here. So solve this question by yourself. After completing these two questions, that is question number 1 and question number 2 in your notebook, do the homework, that is question number 2 and question number 3.